just moving all the time and you're not thinking and don't have meditations, you don't get yourself. To connect within yourself, to connect to yourself, you need mindfulness. It's necessary. I used to say my students and followers, you must acquire time. So what is time? It's acronym. Time means thankfulness. Whatever God has given you, you should be very thankful. For example, I'm blessed, good health, good education, and God Almighty has given me a good personality, good education, good surrounding, good friend, good interactions, good way of life. I should be thankful. I should be grateful. I must pay gratitude to God. He has blessed me all these things. And we as a nation, we are ungrateful to our people. For example, our parents, our friends, our relatives, our near and dears. They've done a lot for us. And to what extent we are grateful to them? We're not grateful to them. That is why we are stressed. Then we must have inspiration. You can't do anything without inspiration. At least a teacher should study at least one chapter a day. He or she should study books. Without books, you are nothing. Books give you experience. Books give you knowledge. Books are packed with wisdom. Books are full of words. Books are life. Once you study books, you are in fact studying life. Come on, you should study books and you should manage your times. So time can be managed and you can plan a day, whether you study a one paragraph or you study one chapter or you study half book. You can even just divide books and you can study within a week, even a month, even a year. So you must plan for the book. You should study books because books are packed with knowledge and centuries knowledge can be compressed in one book. People spent life. Even I studied some writer, they spent 20 years in a way to write books. So whatever you do, that become part of your personality. So inspiration you need, and inspiration can be acquired from the books, from the people, from biography, from their way of living, from the internet, and from surrounding, from the good people. So this is what inspiration. So acronyms is times. First of all, thankfulness, and then we have inspiration, and then we have meditations. As Buddhists, according to Buddhist concept, for body you need exercise, for mind you need meditations. So meditation connects you with yourself. You are just rowing your body just like bored and not giving time to yourself, so you can't even connect with yourself. You don't know where to go. So when you stop for the moment and think that where are we moving? We're not like untamed animals. We're a rational human being and we have to connect with ourselves and what our aims. Where are we moving? Where are we going? So meditation will connect you with yourself. So follow the time acronyms: thankfulness, inspiration, and that can be acquired from biography, from work, from the personality, great personality, even from the books. And for that you have to plan in a way to have good books. Then you have meditations. It's in third level, and Buddhist, he practiced, Buddhist concept, and a lot of the Buddhist followers, they practice it, and still people are practicing across the world. And then we have exercise. I told you about the thankfulness, I told you about inspiration, I told you meditations, and then there is exercise. Exercise is necessary, whether you are going for cycling or you going for exercise, whether you have some other practices, you must move your body in a way to maintain a good health, good life. So this is very best for you. And one thing more, I wanna suggest you people should not expect from somebody. So don't be having a fish love, first of all. A lot of people say that we love somebody and we have made somebody as a source of inspiration, or we have made somebody, this person will make me happy and this person will make me sad. It means that you are just using it as a source. So don't use people as a source, rather let him live his life, his her life. Let him her grow, and you should happy with him her growth. When he's a growing, when he's a developing, when he's a moving, then when he's making progress, you will be happy in it. Then you are a good partner, then you are a good friend, then you are a good lover. So I think it's not a love, it's just like a fish love. When you make somebody as a source, you use it just like a tool. So don't you make other tool. Don't manipulate somebody. Don't manipulate somebody. Don't overcome somebody. Don't subdue somebody. It's not love. Love is that you are happy if somebody is making progress. You are happy when somebody is happy. You are happy somebody is moving forward, and you also grow with him. So this is good love. And then, as Russell said, extreme hopes bring extreme misery. And the same thing, it's been quoted by Shakespeare as well. So he says that I do not expect I do not get sad. Why? Because I don't expect anything from anybody. So expecting